Tropical storm Alberto. I wanted to get a view from this high overpass because you can kind of get an idea of what the clouds look like. It's June the 20th. It's the summer solstice. That's looking towards downtown San Antonio. It's pretty much been raining non-stop for 24 hours. That's looking east. You can see it was thundering and raining a while back. The center of the storm was in the far southwestern corner of the Gulf of Mexico. I'm surprised that the rain bands pretty much inundated all of South Texas, and it rained a lot here.